Hi, this is the TCL 40NXTPAPER and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off silent mode on this device. So first we should just find and press and hold the power key button, then just open it, and just to activate silent mode we should just move to ringtone volume panel. Also we could make it by another way, just open the settings, find the sounds and vibration section, and by the same way just move to ringtone volume panel with your finger. So that's also that one more way how we could do that. Just find the control panel and here you'll see media section. Just tap twice here and now we could see that our device on mute mode, so this means that the silent mode enabled. To turn it off, click to mute to switch it to the media. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.